Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all an Amazon beauty haul. So if you guys didn't know already, I have been doing quite a lot of lives with Amazon as well. So you guys should follow me there. And these were some of my recommendations of products that I purchased considering the current situation in summers. So now without further ado, let's get started. So the number one thing that I got is this Wow's Uptan face and body scrub cum mask. I have been tanning so badly, especially on my hands and feet, and I really have to use something like this to help me detan. It smells so great, and because it's got the Chandan Uptan, it just works phenomenally. And I really prefer using like Besan, Chandan and all to help me remove the tan than any other product. So I bought this one. Again, you can find it at such an affordable price. Really like the texture. I also use it like a mask, so apply it on my hands for a few minutes and then massage it and then wash it off. So that's a great alternative. The next thing that I bought were just random essentials that I got at a very good deal. So basically this is a combo from Azza. You've got the 3 Feather Touch face razors, and again these are like one-time use face razors because the blade kind of fades away and then you cannot use it, otherwise you'll get pimples and all. So I got this one, and then along with it I got a gua sha and a jade roller for like just 400 rupees. So you are getting this very nice set of a gua sha and a jade roller, and it's so nice, especially during the summers. You use this cold gua sha on your face to massage. It's just amazing. I think right now the heat wave has been hitting so hard, even here in Pune. You need something to soothe down, and that's when you have something like this. And I got it for like just 400 rupees. So this is like a steal deal if you can still get it. Then I got an under eye gel. I basically ran out of my hyaluronic acid serum of L'Oreal. You'll see it in my empties video in the next month. And this is something that I came across. It's got like real saffron in it. So I'm going to use it for the time being and see if it really works. Of course, I'm going to get back to my L'Oreal hyaluronic acid under eye serum because it's the best. But this is just something that is more affordable and something I wanted to try on. It's the Noor Skincare under eye gel with saffron, chandan, and it smells great. You just have to massage it under your eyes. It's got real saffron in it, so I'm really excited for this one. But this is what I got. It comes in this very nice glass packaging as well. Then another body lotion. You guys know how soon I get rid of my body lotions because I lather up myself with lotion. And of course I use sunscreen in the morning, but during the night you really want something that is going to soothe your skin. And another issue is because summers are here, we all are going to be wearing shorts and skirts and dresses, and we keep on exfoliating our feet to kind of get rid of that strawberry bump skin. But what happens if it doesn't go? That's when you need to use chemical exfoliation. I do use chemical peels, but then if you want something more gentle, you can use an AHA body lotion. This one is from Chemist at Play, which has got AHA, niacinamide and shea butter that exfoliates your body, moisturizes it, and of course helps you get rid of that strawberry skin or bumps. And yeah, I got this one really affordable. This is going to last me for a month again. So yeah, it's like an essential. The next thing that I got, I wonder why I didn't discover it soon. This is the Dove Nourishing Lip Care Essential Lip Balm. It comes in a pack of 2 for like 250 rupees. This is such a nice lip balm, guys. I've been using it constantly and I love it. Of course, it's not extremely hydrating like your Laneige ones, but it's a very good alternative for Vaseline, very good alternative and affordable option. I really like this. This one is in the original version, but I'm sure there's like another version that they have, the fresh one. But I love this. You guys should definitely give this Dove one try. It's so underrated. Then I got 2 serums because I have used up a lot of my serums. I've been just using Snail Mucin as my serum. So I got the Garnier's Vitamin C serum. I really wanted to try it out. It's actually quite nice. I really like milky based serums and not really water based serums for my face. And this Vitamin C is something that I've heard so much about, so I'm going to start using it. And yeah, I got the bigger bottle, really affordable and nice. And vitamin C is important for summers, like as simple as that. So I got my hands on this. Then I got the Simple's 10% Niacinamide Booster Serum. I have been enjoying Simple Skincare. I've been using the face wash. I'm almost going to run out of that as well. And I already have a backup. But this is so good, guys. I think you should start using Simple's Vitamin C Serum, Simple's Niacinamide Hyaluronic Acid Serum because it's so good. I got the niacinamide one because I really want to treat my dark spots on my face. I broke out a lot last month and I have to deal with it now. So I got this niacinamide Niacinamide Booster Serum. The packaging is really nice. It's a simple brand, but the products are really worthy. And the face serum, I'm trying it out for the first time and I'm really impressed. I have used it a couple of times, so got this one. Then the last two items are again pretty essential. The first thing I have is this new from a brand called Mugu. It's the Cica and Ceramide Moisturizer. Again, during summers, you really want to use something that's very lightweight, something that's not going to, kind of like make your skin more comedogenic. You want something that's calming, and that's when the Cica moisturizer comes. This is a very different packaging, but it's so lightweight, quick absorbing, and works really well. And it's hydrating because it's got ceramides, which repairs your skin. At the same time, it's also got Cica. And it's super affordable as well. So I got this. I've tried it. I really like it. It's a new brand, very affordable. And the last thing that I got is this Mamaearth's Rice Facial Kit with rice water and niacinamide. I stopped doing facials at home since I think a year. I would just use like regular scrub and mask. I wanted to start using it again, and so guys, this was the video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.